Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss how we can add CSS to our HTML page by using the link element. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see inside of the documentation on MDN, the external resource link element. Okay, so the link HTML element specifies relationship between the current document and an external resource. Basically, whenever we want to add some CSS or we want to add some fav icon or something like that, we use the link element to do so. Okay, so to demonstrate that, what I'll do, I'll go here. As you can see, we have previously seen this sort of example, right? So we use something like style tags, and then I can go to H1, and for the H1 I can add the color to blue violet, something like that. Okay, so if I just do that, as you can see, the H1 is now blue violet. But what if we do not want to add the CSS inside of the HTML page? So in that case, what we have to do, we have to create a CSS file and we have to link that inside of the HTML. So how we can do that? Just get rid of this one. So I will just open up this one and I will just create a folder called styles. Okay, and inside of that I will create a styles.css. Okay, all right. And here I can write some basic styles. So if you do not know about CSS, don't worry, just follow along or something like that. Okay, so for the H1, let's add the color to something like brown, something like that. Okay, hit save. Now what we have to do, we have to link up this style sheet here, right? So currently right now, as you can see, our heading is black. Okay, so how we can do that? We can do that by going here inside of the head. Okay, just before the title or after the title, as you wish. And here I will add the link and hit enter. So we have to add the rel or the relationship attribute. This attribute names a relationship of the linked document, okay, to the current document. So the relationship is the style sheet, and here inside of the href attribute we have to add the path for the CSS. So for us it is dot slash and styles slash styles.css. Okay, hit save. Now as you can see, whatever we make some changes inside of the CSS is applied. Okay, awesome. So in that way we can link up CSS files inside of our HTML file. So what I'll do, I'll just go ahead and just do something like blue violet, something like that. Okay, hit save. Now our heading is now blue violet. Awesome. So in that way we can link the CSS file inside of our HTML file by using the link element in HTML. Also, link element is a self-closing element, as you can see, and there are two different attributes. One is the rel or the relationship attribute, and another one is the href attribute, which is basically saying like, hey, what file you want to add to your document. Okay, awesome. So this is the external resource link element in HTML.